Digant Haria as well joins in on the show right now. Digant, hi, morning. So much to talk about. I mean, everything from IFL to Tata Motors. But let's first talk about Tata Motors. What is it that you made of the demerger, and what should investors who own Tata Motors shares now look forward to?
Morning. Nice to be here today. See, firstly, on this Tata Motors thing, I think, the best part about Tata Motors still remains the success in the domestic premium market of cars. Electric vehicle is still only a story. And we have seen that China has taken a big lead in electric vehicles. Even Tesla is struggling. So I think the story here still remains the passenger vehicles, and we all know that commercial vehicles is deeply cyclical. So I think, once more details of the merger come out, I think most of the people would like to be in the passenger vehicle part of the demerged business. That's the one which is really doing well, and that has a lot of potential. But yeah, CV Finance is some CV Finance division and the CV division. I think both of them will be a part of the same entity. That is something which will be very, very cyclical. And that is also something which has given a pain to this company in the past as well. So I think, yeah, excitement will be there, but then, I think the long-term story is still with the passenger vehicle part.
Digant, just wanted to get in your thoughts then. Any views on an Inox Wind as you heard out the management?
I see. I think this the earlier solar and wind used to be two separate sources of energy. With all the new orders that are coming in, I think solar and wind is what we call the hybrid model, and solar is going to do very well. So I think wind will also do very well. We're quite surprised with this the reverse auction bidding process coming again, because that was the one we took down the sector in 2017-18. But I think, if there are some real big problems, the government will iron it out. Government is not stupid enough to derail the whole energy security of the country. And I think, one has to look beyond this event. And I don't think it will be a game, spoiler for the sector.
There you have it. But in the meantime, let's also get in your thoughts then, Digant, as to how you're looking at the kind of momentum that we're seeing in some of these large cap stocks. Reliance Industries, for instance, has been a stellar performer day after day. The banks, barring an HDFC Bank as well, have been at the forefront of the action as we've been hitting record highs. Do you believe that this is going to be the course of action for the markets for some time? Where within large caps are you seeing opportunity?
Reliance and maybe I'll add SBI to that list. So HDFC will continue to rest for some more quarters, and it should be these two, SBI and Reliance, driving the markets. Reliance, because the gross refining margins across the entire sector are doing really, really well. So the core oil, when core oil and gas business does well, everything else does not matter so much, and that is why probably we are seeing strength here. And if you look at these private banks, and the private financial sector, something or the other keeps coming up. Sometimes there's a deposit problem. Sometimes RBI is behind a lot of them for fast growth. The retail sector is slowing down. So I think it is public sector banks in the financial part who will lead the rally. And, here it seems like, Reliance will lead the rally. So whatever HDFC cannot do, I think these two stocks will cover up for that.